Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. This is where your journey to confident English starts right now. No partner required. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow. You start speaking English with ease. You do not wait for anyone else. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I am going to show you how you can practice speaking English every single day, even if you are completely alone. If you are a beginner, A1 or A2 level, and you have ever felt stuck because you do not have a speaking partner, this episode is made just for you. Let's be honest. So many learners believe that real progress in English only happens when you have someone to talk to. Maybe you have tried to find a partner online, or you have joined a class where you barely get a chance to speak. Maybe you have even told yourself, I'll start speaking when I find the right person. But what if that person never comes? What if you could become your own best speaking partner, starting today? That is the secret most learners never discover. Here's the truth. Waiting for a partner can keep you silent for weeks, months, or even years. But you do not have to wait. You can start building your speaking skills right now. You can use simple, powerful techniques that work for real beginners. On the Unlock English podcast, I will guide you through daily shadowing, self-talk, and easy speaking routines. You can use these anywhere, anytime. No more excuses. No more waiting. Just real progress, one day at a time. You might be thinking, can I really improve my English speaking without anyone to practice with? The answer is yes, and not just a little. Practicing alone can actually help you improve faster. You control the pace. You choose the topics. You control the practice. You can repeat as much as you want. You can make mistakes without fear. You can focus on what you need most. This is your journey, and you're in charge. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start speaking, you're in the perfect place. Let's unlock your English together, step by step, with methods that fit your life. Are you ready to take the first step? Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most powerful techniques for learning to speak English on your own. This technique is called shadowing. Shadowing is simple, but it's a game changer. Here's how it works. You listen to a short piece of English. Maybe it's a podcast. Maybe it's a YouTube video. Or maybe it's just a sentence from this episode. You repeat what you hear out loud as closely as possible. You copy the speaker's words. You copy their rhythm. You even copy their emotion. It's like being an actor. But your script is real English spoken by real people. Why does shadowing work so well? Because it trains your mouth, your ears, and your brain all at the same time. When you shadow, You're not just listening passively, you're actively speaking. You're practicing pronunciation. Pronunciation means how you say words. You're building the muscle memory you need for real conversations. And the best part? You don't need anyone else. You can do it in your room. You can do it in the car. You can even do it while you're cooking breakfast. All you need is a few minutes and something to listen to. Let's try a quick example together. Listen to this sentence. I am learning English every day. Now pause and repeat it out loud. Try to match my voice. I am learning English every day. Do it again. Each time you repeat, you get a little better. You can use any sentence you like. It could be from a movie, a podcast, or even your favorite song. The key is to speak out loud, not just in your head. Your voice is your most important tool. Shadowing is also great because you can choose material that matches your level. If you're a beginner, start with short, simple sentences. As you get more comfortable, try longer phrases or even short stories. The more you practice, the more natural English will feel. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. In fact, mistakes are proof that you're trying. Every time you shadow, you're building confidence and fluency, one sentence at a time. So don't wait for a partner. Become your own best speaking coach. Shadow every day, even for just 5 minutes, and watch your English transform. This is your journey, and you're making real progress. Now, let's talk about another powerful method you can use every day. This method is called self-talk. Self-talk is exactly what it sounds like. Talking to yourself in English. It might feel a little strange at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to practice speaking, especially when you don't have a partner. Think about your daily routine. From the moment you wake up, you have so many opportunities to use English. For example, when you get out of bed, say out loud, I am getting up now. When you make breakfast, describe what you're doing. Say, I am making coffee. I am toasting bread. These simple sentences help you connect English to your real life. Self-talk isn't just about describing actions. You can also talk about your plans. You can talk about your feelings. You can talk about your thoughts. For example, today I will go to the store. Or, I feel happy because I am learning English. The more you practice, the more natural it becomes. You start to think in English, not just translate from your native language. This is a huge step toward fluency. If you want to make your self-talk even more effective, try asking yourself questions and answering them. For example, what will I do today? Then answer, I will study English and go for a walk. Or, how do I feel right now? Answer, I feel excited to practice. This creates a mini conversation. It helps you practice both asking and answering questions, just like in real life. Don't worry about making mistakes. No one is listening except you. This is your safe space to try new words, new grammar, and new ideas. If you're not sure how to say something, look it up and try again. Over time, you'll notice that speaking English becomes easier and more automatic. Remember, self-talk is something you can do anytime, anywhere. In the shower, on a walk, or even while waiting for the bus. The more you use English in your daily life, the faster you'll improve. You don't need a partner. You just need your own voice and a little bit of courage. Let's bring everything together with a daily routine you can start using right away. Imagine your day as a series of small opportunities to practice English, even if you only have a few minutes at a time. In the morning, as soon as you wake up, begin with self-talk. Narrate your actions. Say, I am brushing my teeth. Say, I am choosing my clothes. Say, I am making breakfast. These simple sentences help you connect English to your real life. Next, find a few minutes during your day for shadowing. Maybe you listen to a short podcast or a YouTube video while you eat lunch or take a break. Choose something at your level. Repeat what you hear out loud. Don't worry if you can't match every word perfectly. The goal is to practice speaking, not to be perfect. Over time, you'll notice your pronunciation and confidence improving. If you want to challenge yourself, record your voice and listen back. You'll be surprised at how much progress you make in just a few weeks. In the evening, take a moment to reflect on your day in English. This is a great time for self-dialogue. Pretend you're telling a friend about your day. Say, today I learned new English words. Say, I practiced shadowing. Say, I feel proud of myself. You can even ask yourself questions like, what was the best part of my day? Answer in English. This helps you review what you've learned. It keeps your motivation high. Remember, consistency is the key. You don't need to practice for hours. Even 10 or 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference if you do it regularly. The most important thing is to keep going, even on days when you feel tired or busy. Every time you speak out loud, you're building your English muscle. You're proving to yourself that you can do it. So, don't wait for the perfect partner or the perfect moment. Start today with your own voice, your own words, and your own determination. You have everything you need to succeed. Thank you for joining me on the Unlock English podcast. Keep practicing, keep believing, and remember, your English journey is in your hands. See you next time.